Now, have you ever wanted to bring your entire workstation, gaming setup, and movie theater in your backpack? That's what I've been testing this past month, the Rokid AR Spatial System. And it's way more than just AR glasses.
Now this is the Rokid Max 2. Beautiful packaging right here. Let's just put this on the side for now. Some literature, stickers, also a cloth to clean your glasses, extra nose padding, USB-C wire to connect it to your Station 2 or to any USB-C device that you want. Here are the glasses as well. It has the front covering